So I do a lot of videos on deck post checking, and I'll get a lot of people that will actually message me, write me emails, all kinds of stuff. They'll just have a structure done, they'll just have a structure built, and it's been there for a couple days, and they'll see the cracks, the checking in their deck post. Concerned about it, and I'll tell them, look, it's completely normal, even for brand new wood posts. Look at this brand new wood post. Already has checking in it, right? So even now when we purchase deck posts, a lot of times they've already got checking in them. They're already cracking and splitting up through there. And it's a natural formation of the wood. There's not a lot that we can do about it, but if we get that silverback epoxy, obviously we can close that off, right? But it's normal even for new posts. Even for brand new wood deck posts, it's normal for them to have checking. Absolutely normal. So don't be concerned. The only time you should be concerned, in my opinion, about deck post checking is if you can take a screwdriver and push it all the way through and it goes all the way through the board to the other side, then maybe you should be concerned. But outside of that, it's a pretty normal phenomenon.